Hey, Freddy with CJ Pony Parts. Here at CJ's, we're a big fan of LED lights. They last longer, they run cooler, they're brighter, and they're safer. Today we're going to be installing a set of amber turn signal bulbs on the front of this 2014 Chevy Silverado. This set of 4 amber LEDs for the front of the Silverado are going to be brighter and they're going to light up faster, making the truck much safer. Tools you'll need for this installation: a 1/4-inch ratchet, 8mm socket, 10mm socket, and an extension. As you can see on the front of the Silverado, there's 2 turn signals in each housing, which is why we have 4 LEDs. Now, to install them, you don't need to remove anything for the driver's side. Simply just get your hand behind the headlight and remove the bulbs. Small hands will come in handy with this, which I guess I'm out of luck. But on the passenger side, you will need to remove the airbox, and we'll show you how to do that. This step isn't entirely necessary. We're going to loosen up this bracket to get it out of our way. You don't have to do it to remove anything, but it's just going to help us when we install the new bulbs. Now you only need to loosen up one of these bolts and remove it. You can leave the other one the way it is, and then push this bracket out of the way. Now to get the airbox out, we're going to disconnect the mass airflow sensor. Loosen up this hose clamp. And then the 4 screws on each corner of the airbox. And remove the clip that's securing the mass airflow sensor harness. Take out the air filter. There's 3 tabs in this airbox securing it to the air duct. Press those in. And then lift up and pull the airbox out of its tabs. It's basically impossible to show you where the connectors are on this headlight without removing the grill, which is very difficult. But this part, you're going to need to be able to see with your hands to do these. You're going to get your hand in this hole on this fender. This is the same process on both sides. You're just going to have to feel where the connectors are for the turn signals. There's one up top and one on bottom. Now, small hands come in really handy with this part. There's one. And there's 2. Once you get the connectors out, installing the new bulbs is very easy. Simply wiggle out the old bulbs, grab your new LED. Now it's time to test the LED. If it doesn't work, simply pull it out, switch it around, and plug it back in. Now both LEDs are in. We're going to test them out just by hitting the unlock button on the key fob. And they both work. Now we can put them back in the housing. Now you can reinstall the airbox. Now install the two bulbs on the other side and your installation is finished. Our LED turn signals are in, they light up brighter and quicker, and they're going to last longer. Installation should take you about 30 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading down the road.